Yes, I would like to say, I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you to my fans out there. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you for the views and likes you've given me. I wanna thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Yeah, well, that's for you. That's for you. You. I mightn't have thousands or millions of views. I am so satisfied of what I've got. Thank you. Okay, here goes. It might be me saying, well, let's see what we get in there. Let's see what we... I just hope it's nothing strange. Okay, here goes. Sorry about that, that's a short one, isn't it? That's not very nice, is it? Oh dear. I can't stop the love you're giving me. Oh, you know, you sometimes wanna be free. The rain falls down on me. I said the rain falls down on me. The world is getting crazy every day. You see do I bother about you? So why do I bother? About you. Yeah, sorry about that. It was a bit short, wasn't it? That blew me away, that did. It was strange. Okay, if you don't like that, I'll delete it. Thank you. Bye-bye.